If you are diving into the e-commerce world, you know how crucial it is to keep things streamlined and your customers happy and engaged. That's where a solid customer relationship management system like Keap comes into play. Keap is not just any CRM, it's a tool designed to make life easier for small business owners, especially those of us navigating the e-commerce space. In this video of Keap review, let's break down what makes Keap the go-to choice for e-commerce business owners. And by the way, if you would like to sign up for Keap, make sure to use my affiliate link in the description of this video. Clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra and it helps me support the channel. With that in mind, let's get started. Keap stands out because it's super easy and effective to use. It's perfect for those who are not too familiar with CRM systems. Keap makes the whole process of managing customer relationships much less complicated, so you can start using it right away without any headache. When you sign up, they even give you your own customer success manager who helps you through every step of setting up, so you never feel lost. This kind of personal help is what makes Keap really special. It means you don't have to waste time trying to figure everything out by yourself. Keap is amazing because it lets you automate so many tasks that eat up your time, like sending out emails, following up with people who are not interested in what you are selling, and organizing your new contacts. For anyone running an e-commerce site, saving time is super important because it means you can spend more on growing your business. Keap can save you around 10 hours each week because it takes care of repetitive tasks for you. This is a huge deal for small businesses that need to make the most of every minute. It's like having an extra pair of hands to help you with your sales and marketing without having to hire someone. That's why Keap is such a game changer for online shops. In the world of online sales, Keap really stands out with its features designed just for e-commerce. Beyond the usual CRM stuff, Keap offers special tools for invoicing, accepting payments, and even features that make your online checkout smoother. These features are great because they not only help you handle transactions more easily, but also work to get more people to buy more stuff. In a market where standing out from the competition is key, these advantages are super important. Keap helps you make every interaction with your customers better, which can lead to more sales and bigger orders. This makes Keap a valuable tool for anyone looking to grow their e-commerce business in a competitive space. Keap takes the hassle out of managing your business with its smart automation and lead scoring capabilities. It's designed to make complex tasks simple with its if this then that logic. For instance, if a customer fills out a form on your site, Keap doesn't just take note of it. It immediately sends you an alert and drops an email to your new contact, making them feel welcomed right away. But it doesn't stop there. Keap can handle a bunch of routine tasks for you, like sending out reminders for invoices or following up with customers. For businesses using the Max plan, there is an extra perk called lead scoring. This feature lets you see which potential customers are most interested in what you are selling, so you can focus your energy on the hottest leads. When it comes to choosing the right Keap plan for your business, it's all about understanding what you need and how much you are ready to invest. Keap offers two main options, the Pro plan and the Max plan. The Pro plan is a good place to start for small e-commerce outfits, priced at $129 a month for 2 users and covering up to 1,500 contacts. If you are looking for more advanced features like marketing analytics and lead scoring, the Max plan might be up your alley, starting at $199 a month for 3 users and including up to 2,500 contacts. It's key to remember that as your business grows and you gather more contacts, your monthly fee will go up. But that also means Keap grows with you, offering more tools and options as your business needs expand. This pricing model ensures you are only paying for the resources you need, making it easier to scale your operations. Keap really opens up a world of possibilities by connecting with a huge range of software. Over 2,500 programs, in fact. But it's important to know that not everything comes free with this deal. Some of these extra connections might ask you for a bit more money every month. Also, if you are moving from another system to Keap, you might find the free option for moving your data over doesn't fit everything you want to bring with you, especially if you are a bigger business. Another thing to keep in mind is as you get more contacts, your bill with Keap will go up because of how their pricing works. It's based on how many contacts you have, so more contacts mean higher costs. But even with these downsides, there is so much about Keap that makes it a great choice, especially for folks running online shops. Keap is super easy to use, which is great news for anyone who's not a tech wizard. It's packed with features to help you sell more and keep your customers happy, like automating emails or managing all your customer info in one spot. Plus, it has special tools just for selling online, like sending out invoices easily or accepting payments right on your site. All these things together make Keap a really strong option if you are looking to grow your online business. Getting started with Keap is pretty straightforward, which is a huge relief. When you sign up, they give you your own customer success manager. This person is there to help guide you through setting everything up, so you don't have to figure it all out alone. Keap's designed to be user-friendly, with videos to show you how to use its features and templates you can tweak to fit what you need. This focus on making things simple means that you can get your CRM ready fast and get back to the work that matters most to you. So with Keap, it's less about struggling with new software and more about growing your business. What makes Keap stand out is not just its features, it's exceptional customer service that comes with it. If you are in the US, you can pick up the phone and talk to someone right there in the country during the work week if you run into any issues. But if it doesn't stop there, Keap knows problems don't just happen from 9 to 5. Which is why they offer round-the-clock chat support through their mobile app. No matter the time of the day or night, if you hit a snag, you can get the help you need without waiting. This dedication to supporting their users is a big deal. It shows that Keap is not just about selling you a service. They are about making sure you succeed with it. When you are trying to grow your business, knowing there is a reliable support system backing you up can make all the difference. In the end, Keap is a great tool for e-commerce business owners who want to keep things simple and efficient. It helps save time with automation and makes managing customer relationships easier. While it might cost more as your business grows, the benefits it offers are worth considering. If you are looking to improve how you connect with customers and handle sales, Keap could be the right choice for you. And don't forget, if you would like to sign up for Keap, make sure to use my affiliate link in the description of this video. Thank you for watching. Until next time.